Hello, this is Jake and welcome to another video on my automotive channel. Join me in a field today. Yeah, there's not too much happening. However, there's a college over there. This is going to be a behind the scenes, make sure we're walking, behind the scenes of filming the Porsche 911. So I've got a couple of friends meeting me in a couple of minutes and we're going to be doing a video of the Porsche 911 and everything. They're going to be in the back filming in another car, all safe, everything. Got the mass in the car and all of that. Basically, yeah, this is just going to be a behind the scenes of that. So that video would have been up before this one anyway, so you would have seen it. Sorry, I'm just watching while I'm walking. This is, if I slip over, I'm just going to be covered in mud. But there's the Porsche 911 down there. There you go. In the interference purple, and it is looking stunning. We could have asked for better weather, but being in the UK, we won't get that. Not this time of year anyway. I think it's November the 28th today. So, I had to make sure then. Okay, they haven't arrived yet, but I might have to clean the car up a bit. Yeah. So, I'm going to get the car tidied up. I got about 20 minutes to spare. Take some shots, and then we will hopefully start filming and then turn up and we'll show you the special camera car we've got for this special occasion. Our camera truck has arrived. It's a little bit dirty, but we're not filming the jazz today. Well, apart from now. Pop the trunk. Let's pop the hood, I should say. Let's see what you got under here.
What's in there?
I'll try and find out. Do this one now. There you go. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's clean. It's clean-ish. Yeah, look at that. That's right out there in your face, isn't it? It's an odd pairing. They look good together, though. No sign of Vincent yet though. Still waiting, but we got Motorhead playing. Right, we're doing some repairs on Reese's car before we do anything else. And Vincent's turned up. Yay! Still waiting for Callum, and we're 2 meters apart at all times.
You're in PPE as well.
Yeah, see, Vincent's prepared. Yeah, there you go. Right, I didn't put the camera on, so Vincent's going to attempt for a second time to get in the car. Right, in through one door. There you go.
I'll just do that.
You got headroom?
Enough.
Enough. It works, it actually works. Right, that's one. So Callum is we'll either put the other seat down. I'm kind of hoping he can sit in that seat and film out the window.
Yes.
That should be fine.
It's an ugly job, which requires an ugly car and an ugly driver.
All good?
Three, two, one.
Callum has arrived.
The Bond has arrived.
The Bond.
Tying your laces undone. Right, so we have this hand signal, which is car 1. We have this hand signal, which is car 2. And we have this signal, which means overtake. Engine. No,
that's bigger than the bloody engine.
The battery is smaller than the air filter.
Oh my.
Well, I am in the back of a Honda Jazz and I've been bound and gagged by some rope, and here's Mr. Bond filming. It's the worst ever YouTube video. Bound and gagged. Definitely not sketchy. I don't think they are. I just don't think they are.
If you watch the Top Gear, and there'll be like a new singer just have a load on the jazzes.
Yeah, it done the job.
It did the job, yeah.
We got some great shots though, so that's good. When we're doing our
We're going to do the 2 metre distance.
2 metre distancing.
I'm not sure this is 2 metre distance into the green.
I think
That's at least 4, 5, 6.
7.
Keep going, keep going. We're being extra safe.
if only your oil spills were so.
I am extra safe.
I'm not liking that. Extra, yeah, no, beyond the fence. If he goes beyond that fence, we've lost him forever.
I'm safe. Yeah, that's 250 quid to repair Jake's Porsche.
More than that. Oh, he's got the technique done. Give us a thumbs up.
Want to have a go in my car?
Let's go. Get it.
There we go. Yeah.
Take the bag off. That would be a catastrophe. And here we go.
Do you know to start it?
Put the brake in. Or do you just start it?
You can just start it, mate. It's a car.
Is it in gear?
No.
Good.
You actually driven a car before.
This is completely on you, by the way. I don't want no part of this.
Alright, only a little bit.
Wait.
Wait,
Stand apart. Let's just
I'm sending this to his girlfriend.
pull it in gear. Take 2.
Is Callum Bond driving a car? That's it.
Yeah, turn the handbrake off. Handbrake! Take 3. I swear you just wedged that in the first gear.
I think you put the handbrake back on, didn't you?
4.
This is a proper car to drive, mate.
Oh, he's moving. Just want to make sure he doesn't.
You know how to stop?
Great. You know, I hadn't laughed like that for a long time. Was anyone hurt? Apart from the jazz?
No jazzes were harmed in the making of this film.
That's going in the credits. He's phoned the horn. Right, so Callum and Vincent have gone that way. They're going to get some more shots. The Porsche has had a good day. We've had some good shots of it. Reese has just left in the Honda Jazz. So all that's left now is to just get some shots of the car going by and everything. Everything seems to be working fine. There is a bit of an oil leak, which I do know about and is being fixed, but it looks worse than it is because obviously rain and everything, but it's been partly a good hour and a half now, so yeah, but we'll get that sorted. So hopefully they're done now, but as for now, that's pretty much it. We've got the filming done, behind the scenes and everything. We've had a good laugh. I mean, social distancing and everything like that. We've been playing with the cars and it's been great fun, to be honest. So yeah, they're just going to that. I can start filming, and yeah, so please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Obviously the actual Porsche video will be up very soon, and you will see that before this. I'm mixing it all up. The Porsche video is going to be before this anyway, so you see that behind the scenes will come after. But yeah, you know, I love this car. I got to sell it, unfortunately, because making room for something bigger, better, maybe. we'll see. But anyway, let's go and get some shots done, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. Bag first.
What are you filming?
You getting in the car.
Yep. My boots are the same size as the footprint.
You'll be able to do it, mate.
Hang on.
Go and ask first.
You might have to pull the seat forward. 30 seconds and counting.
Did we pull the seat forward last time?
I don't know.
He's in, he's got to get his other leg in now.
You can't drive like that, unfortunately.
Oh, hang on. You're right, mate.
He's in.